Hello everyone, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the OnePlus 8T, brand new phone by OnePlus, and we're testing its video recording capabilities, starting with 4K 30 video recording with the main camera. And the first thing it will test is video stabilization. So let's slowly walk to get a general feel of what the stabilization looks like. You also have a super steady mode, but that one drops the quality a bit, so we're not using it right now. We're using the main camera with the regular video stabilization. So let's now run and see the stabilization in action. Okay, let's stop right here, move the camera a bit, pan around to the brighter areas of the skies where you get that brighter light and the shades, different kind of lighting, so you're able to see how the phone adjusts to that. Should be a very smooth and nice transition. Next up, let's also zoom in. This phone doesn't have a telephoto camera, unfortunately, but it can still zoom in video, and that's the maximum quality, the maximum longest zoom range you get in video recording. And then you can zoom all the way back out, and you do get an ultra-wide camera and should be able to switch right to it, the ultra-wide perspectives for a much wider view. And then let's switch to the regular camera right now, 1x. So now we're at the 1x, and we'll test the continuous autofocus feature by just having my hand right here. The phone should be able to focus on it, then switch to the background. Let's test this a couple of times. Hand, background, focus on my hand. One last time. You let me know how the OnePlus 8T does in terms of video recording, video stabilization, everything else in the comments right below. My name is Vic, this is PhoneArena, and thanks for watching.